Hi, my name is Kingsley James. You're welcome to Sweb Studios. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a concrete fascia in Revit Architecture. If you're bumping into my channel for the very first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get subsequent videos that I'll be dropping. Alright, let's go into lecture proper. Alright, to create a concrete fascia in Revit Architecture, it's very simple. I'm going to show you in simple steps. I'm going to delete the existing one that is there, select it and delete. Then first of all, you go to this top view. That's the top of the building. I'll move to this my top view. If you want to check it, you can check from your south elevation. Now the south, from the south, you can see that is on, that's on height 6,000. So I'll just quickly go to the level 3, which is the height. Okay, so now the next thing to do is I'll come to architecture and come to component. Now on this component, we're not placing in a component, we are rather creating a new component, so it is regarded to be a component. So I'll select this model in place. Now it will bring a couple of lists that I can select from. Am I creating it? I can just pick up any one since I'm using it for class purpose, so I don't want to start stressing you. Just pick anyone and say okay. I'm not trying to, what I'm trying to say is that I'm not trying to strategize it. So pick any of this, okay, and say okay. The next thing, just give it any name. I'll just say DD for class purpose. In your own case, you can give it your own name as regards whatever you want to do with it. So I'll say okay. Now the next thing is it will bring out these tools that we use to create all forms of shape. So what we want to do is we want to create a sweep. Okay, we want to sweep along this building. So I'll click on sweep. Now after that, we'll create the sketch. We'll sketch the parts of this of the sweep. Now you're not gonna click pick a part. So you click on sketch part. Now when you click on that, I will now what I'll do is I'll start drawing across, sorry, on the top of this. So I prefer to make use of pick lines, so I'm going to do it so fast. I have to be very careful. It is assumed you already know how to make use of Revit to be able to understand this particular lecture. So that's why you need to get the full lecture on Revit Architecture. So I haven't done that. Now I had to pause the lecture so that I'll be able to continue to be able to join these lines together very fast. Now pay attention to this point, this middle point. I'll say okay. Now the next thing to do is to select edit profile. Now once you select edit profile, select this side or select any of the elevations, say east or west. So I'll click on open view. Now this is the center point I was talking about. So I'll pick my line to here, then select the endpoint, take it up, watch the distance. I'll go say 600. Let me zoom down. 600. Then move to this side and do the same. 600. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of this arc tool from that point to this point, then draw it like this. Now I haven't done that. I'm not going to end it. You can decide to leave it like this, or you can just add any design of your choice. Come So then I'll come to here, I'll trim to get a good shape, and then I'll click on, this is a warning, I'm going to click on join element. I think I like it like this. Then I'll click on OK. That's that. Then finish it up here. Now if then click on finish, you can see the shape gotten. So folks, it's as easy as that. For I don't want to save it, so this is what I have. So that's how to create a concrete fascia. Then you can now add your roof on top of it.